In this special Law of Attraction video, we're going to share an important visualization secret to attract just about anything you desire. This secret will change how you visualize. Hey there everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Today we're sharing some secrets on visualization. And these secrets can give you the edge when it comes to attracting the life that you desire. Visualization is not required to attract what you desire. Now, I know that sounds funny because you've heard so many people talk about visualization, theater of the mind movies, all of that. But think about it. You visualize good things and bad things coming into your life every single day, and you do it without visualizing. So visualization has a strength. It has an asset in manifesting what you desire. And the asset is that it helps you focus in the right direction. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you are in the market for a new home. And you're visualizing a beautiful home surrounded by trees on about 2 acres and has about 5 bedrooms, has a fireplace and a basement, and you're looking at a house. And the house, the real estate agent says, is a really good deal, but it only has 3 bedrooms. It's only on a 1/4 acre. And it doesn't have a fireplace. You immediately know that doesn't fit what I desire. That is not a match. So visualization sends a message to the universe. This is what I desire. This is where I'm placing my intention. Oh, I'm getting excited about this. This is exciting because you're going to learn something very powerful. Let's take a deep breath. There you go. I get excited. And here it is. Whatever you visualize is the baseline of what's possible. Oh, do I have to say that again? Whatever you visualize is the baseline of what is possible for you. So, think about this. You are a co-creator of your reality, but you have a very powerful partner, the universe. And the universe can see around corners. It can see over hills. It even has X-ray vision to see through lead walls. You and I don't have that. So what I'm suggesting is don't limit your visualization. You know, we often talk about this or something better. Whether you are willing to say that or not, the truth of the matter is the universe is saying it for you. Because if you are putting your intention into something that you are visualizing, and you see it here, the universe may feel that you'd be best off with this. You may need 5 acres. You may need 8 bedrooms. You may need 2 fireplaces. Do you see what I'm saying? Don't limit the universe. Don't say, I want this and only this, and if I don't get this, then it doesn't matter, and blah, 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 blah. You need to have complete trust with your partnership in the universe. Don't shut out alternatives, because they're always going to be better. Remember, whatever you visualize is the bottom. It's the base. Allow the universe to bring you something even better. So, as you visualize, see clearly what you desire, and then simply end with these words: I'm open to something even better. I know that's hard for some of you because you're fixated. Your ego is fixated on one thing, or one individual, or one place, or one purpose. But the universe, like I said, it can see around corners. It can see through lead walls. It knows what's best for you. It knows what is coming into your life. So allow more to come into your life. Now here's the big secret. Are you ready? Focus less on details and more on vibration. So I'm visualizing a home, a new home. I'm thinking 4, 5, 6 bedrooms. I'm thinking 5 acres of land. I'm thinking a fireplace upstairs and downstairs. But what I'm really doing as I walk into this home is I'm looking around. I'm breathing. And I'm feeling the vibration of what I visualized. And the universe will always bring you that vibration, or something even better, because you are flying high, soaring like a beautiful eagle. Have a great day and visualize with your mind wide open. Bye-bye now.